couple of y'all were having some issues with that. What's up?
So this confused me last time. So, 4, is it 4 minus 1x?
Yes.
Or is it negative 1x and a positive 2?
Both, actually. The negative and the subtraction sign, they both go hand in hand. Okay? The minus sign and the subtraction sign both go hand in hand. They both mean the same exact thing. This is a negative 1x. This is 4 minus 1x. Okay? Because when I say they both go hand in hand, they both mean the same exact thing. They both are the same exact thing. Because they both are taking away. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So 4 take away 1x, 4 minus 1x, the difference between 4 and 1x, they all mean the same exact thing, okay? Cool?
Yeah.
So, and that's why I sometimes call it a negative, and I just read it from left to right. If you're reading it from left to right, 4 minus 1x, you know? So, how are we going to get that negative 1x by itself?
Please.
Feliciana.
Subtract 4 on the positive 7? Oh, wait. Yeah, subtract 4 from 4 and subtract 4 from the positive 7.
Okay.
Do you do both sides? Because that's what got me confused too last time.
With absolute values, we've been doing both sides.
Oh, okay, then yeah.
Okay? Okay, so, long story short, what would be negative 7 minus 4?
Negative 11.
Negative 11
Wow.
is equal to what?
Negative 1x.
Negative 1x,
Yeah.
which is equal to
3.
3. Good job. It's very straightforward. A lot of repetition here. Wagner, you good?
Oh yeah.
You good? You sure?
Yeah, but you get the same thing whether you use the negative or whether you put the 1 in front of it or not.
You said what?
You get the same answer whether you put the 1 in front of the x or not.
Yes, you do get the same answer. By all means, I am not sitting here telling y'all that you have to put the 1 in front of the x. This is just a rule that this has always been a rule, but this is just a rule that I wrote out for y'all. For those of you who don't understand, hey, I keep forgetting the negative. I keep forgetting to bring the negative down because a couple of y'all are just gonna leave this negative right here where it's at. You know what I'm saying? You're probably gonna write it in again with that x right there. You're probably even gonna get rid of the 4 and subtract it to both sides. You probably might just do that. You know what I'm saying? But if you sit here and you get rid of the x, if you get rid of that 4 right there, I've seen a couple of y'all just come down with something like that and just forget that negative. And then your answer would be negative 11 and positive 3, instead of it being a positive 11 and a negative 3. And that would be wrong. Okay? So, long story short, I have y'all put a 1 right there in front of the x so that you will now know to divide. Now, if you already know to divide without having to put the 1 there, good for you. I am happy. I am overjoyed. Hence to say that I'm not necessarily teaching you today. I'm teaching all those others who are having an issue with this. You know what I'm saying? Because, again, this is your test that's coming up. It is 50% of your grade. I can't make this up. Not even if I tried. What's up, Gabe?
So that negative, if you didn't put that 1 there, does that negative just follow the x?
Yes.
So either way you'd start with it.
Yes.
Alright.
Putting the 1 there just helps you remember to have that negative follow the x. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The negative should be following the x regardless, but you putting the 1 there will help you remember to have that negative follow it, okay? So, what do we do right here to get the x by itself?
You divide it by -1,
Divide by -1.
and you have to do it to both sides.
Both sides. X is equal to what?
Positive 11 and negative 3. Yeah.
All right, good stuff, right? Your test will have this. Okay? Let's do a fraction. One more. Last one, okay? Good. Are you learning?
No, I'm not paying attention to you actually. As you can see,
Us.
I'm
Let's
gonna
see.
pretend the paperwork ain't here.
Mm-hmm. Number 2. Number 2 looks good. So, we have 2 times the absolute value of 10x plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 61. Okay, so they're running out of marker. First thing we do, already answered. Miss Reagan.
Box up the absolute value.
Matter of fact, Reagan, come up here and do the whole thing.
Okay.
Ah! Did I just trip on camera?
Yo, make sure his intro.
Get the, you can use whatever. Hold up, can you reach it?
No.
Darn it, I am so sorry. I got you. Write it over, matter of fact, just write it over again underneath. Make it big enough so that everybody can see. You're on camera, so make it big enough so that people at home can see. So she pretty much made a double X right here. But still, she knows, she understands it to her own best ability. She named the box whatever she wanted. So so she made it like, instead of it being 2 times the absolute value of 10x plus 3 plus 7 equal to 61, she made it 2x plus 7 is equal to 61. She subtracted the 7 on both sides, right? 61 minus 7 is equal to 54. And then she then was left with 2x equal to 54, so then she divided 2 on both sides, and she should know that it is 20.
I don't know.
27.
Oh, okay.
27, right? So now she's gonna bring her, huh? No, 27. 27 plus 27 is 54. 20 plus 20 is 40. 7 plus 7 is 14. plus 14 is
What's the math?
54. No. So, she took her absolute value out the box. So therefore, it's absolute value of 10x plus 3 is equal to 27. So, there you go. Have a seat. You're in front of the camera, so let them see what you're doing. So, then she puts the 27 on both sides, right? Negative 27 is equal to 10x plus 3 is equal to 27. She subtracts the 3 on both sides. So negative 27 minus 3 is equal to 30, which is equal to 10x, which is equal to 27 minus 3, which is 24, right? So she divides that 10 on both sides.